Turns out, sleeping on the floor might actually be better for your spine. Sounds crazy, right? But millions of Indians do it every single night and wake up just fine. In America, the idea of ditching your mattress sounds like pure madness. Most people spend thousands on memory foam, adjustable bases, and orthopedic pillows. But in India, many families have slept on the floor for generations and swear by it. So, is the floor actually better for your back? Let's dig into this cultural shock that might just change how you sleep forever. In many Indian households, especially in rural areas, beds aren't the norm. People lay down a cotton mat, known as a chatai, or sometimes just a thin blanket directly on the floor. It's not about poverty, it's about tradition, simplicity, and surprisingly, health. Ask an Indian grandma, and she'll tell you the floor keeps your spine straight and your posture strong. And science might actually agree with her. Sleeping on a hard surface allows your body to stay in a more neutral spine position. This reduces pressure on certain areas, like the lower back, helping prevent slouching and stiffness. Doctors have even suggested it for people with chronic lower back pain. Most Americans would find this shocking. We're taught to think softer equals better. But softer often means your hips or shoulders sink in too much, throwing your spine out of whack. Beyond posture, sleeping on the floor promotes cleanliness and minimalism. It's easier to roll up your bedding, sweep the floor, and reuse the space during the day. It's practical, tidy, and space-saving. Of course, it's not for everyone. People with arthritis, joint pain, or the elderly might find it uncomfortable. And if your floor isn't insulated or clean, it could cause issues. But with the right setup, a clean mat, a soft blanket, it can be incredibly comfortable and grounding. So what does this tell us? Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the best. While the West chases comfort with gadgets and plush materials, the East finds peace and posture in simplicity. This isn't about who's right, it's about perspective. And when you look at it that way, maybe the floor isn't so hard after all. Would you try sleeping on the floor? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button if this changed how you think, and subscribe to the Indian Reveal for more culture-shocking truths that challenge what you thought you knew about the world. Sleep well and stay curious.